Sunday morning. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. Your girl is looking all natural to church today. But anyways, hope you guys are good and welcome to today's vlog where everybody is wearing a touch of white and I'm the only person that is putting on black gown. They didn't update me on time. Babe, it's not fair. Say hi.
You didn't go to the news box without saying good. Right?
Yes.
Hi people, happy Sunday. Go to church and don't be late.
Anyways, we're on our way to church right now. I'll see you guys when we are back. Let's go, Tara.
So all people came near to him and he repaired the altar. I'm going to show you 16 from here and then we close. And he repaired the altar that was broken. Then Elijah took 12 stones according to the number of the tribes of the sons.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another beautiful Monday morning. So I want to just hurriedly arrange my room, sweep my room. Destiny is already doing the laundry, probably just helping cleaning the parlor as well. Then I'll get into filming today's video for Vibrationia channel. So let me just hurriedly start doing that. Today I want to also mop this particular room as well, okay? So let's just do it sharp. Thank God there's lights. Let's get started. Think I've tried for today. Who is that? Eh? The woman smell come for the check-in. You sure? By yourself? May that still follow you. You feel meet up?
I don't know whether she will be sure going to disturb me, say she don't tire of going like ready to work out today.
But take am easy now, come. Take am easy, calm down. Don't be ready to work out, no work kill yourself.
No, I know what myself because around all those side we have to check.
Especially those they are mooring inside. Those side. Enter their mooring street. You remember that mooring street? Enter all of those sides to check. But they are still to the street dirty shower, but
I will observe the streets.
observe better street shower. Anyhow, let me know. Update us. Carry key. So anyways, guys, my brother is house hunting, honestly. The other one I checked, I think I did that in this vlog or another one. I don't know if it's this vlog that I went and checked for that house. And we have finally agreed that we're going to be taking that one. Before I know, the woman just changed the price as if they are increasing rents. I was like, hello ma, this was the price we agreed. Why are you not changing and skyrocketing just a bedroom, one bedroom to 1 million naira? Hello. Even if we have 1 million naira to dash out for a one bedroom, at least it will be more standard than this and blah blah blah. Anyways, we just canceled that one out of our budget, and he is going in search of another one. So the guy is saying waka today, but whatever. Let me go have my shower, guys. Let me go have my shower. I'll see you guys in another slide of this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. Anyways, I just had my shower and I just want to do something with my hair because tomorrow is Sunday. So I'll be bringing up this vlog to a wrap, right? I think I've tried for this vlog. I've tried. It's not easy. I've said it this year. I want to be very, very consistent in everything. YouTube go here around. Okay? So I want to just do something with this hair and then I'll call it a day. But anyway, see you guys in my next vlog. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, tell me the best part of this vlog that you love so much, right? Peace out.